We are now going to format dates. Here you can see that the two dates for the policy period are in a date format only, whilst here you can see both the date and time. In order to do this, we need to go to the Data tab and look at the source of the data. And in here, what we need to do is we need to find the policy cancellation date, which we are looking for. It's this column. And we need to change the data type. Here. We want to change it from date time to just date. And now we can also specify what format we want it into. We want a short format. And now we can go back to our report and we can see that the cancellation date has changed format.